So I recorded the tying process and then promptly deleted it because I'm apparently way too old and forgetful to do videos. So for the tying for this shirt, all you need to do is a spiral. Just pick a center point and twist that type of spiral. And then instead of using rubber bands to cross it, you use sinew pulled as tight as you possibly can. And you'll see that in the next segment right before I start dyeing it. For the top side, I'm going with Cayman Isle green, bright green, and sea glass. All of these have it's going to focus, a T after the name, and that means they all contain turquoise. So let's get started. Now that the ice is on, I'm going to add some powdered soda ash. And then more of the Caribbean Isle green. I'll let this sit until the ice melts, and then we'll do the next side. Okay, since that's melted through, let's go ahead and flip this over. Push that down just a little. For this side, I'm going with cerulean blue. And that will be on the lines themselves. And daffodil. So let's get started. Okay, we'll let that sit until the ice melts, and probably about 12 to 18 hours overall, and then do the washout. Okay, it's been over 24 hours, so let's do the washout. Okay. So there we go. I'll wash it out completely and we'll take a look.